Did you know if you whisper to your Echo, it will whisper back, "Computer, what's the time?"
The time is 6:55 p.m.
Or that you can use your Echoes as speakers with your Fire TV. In this video, I will show you 10 everyday tips for the Amazon Echo, including how to enable whisper mode. If you've just got your first Echo, there are lots of tips for you to learn. If you already have one, I'm sure that there'll be some tips that you don't know. I have changed the wait command to computer in this video, so you don't have to worry about turning the microphone off on your device. The first tip is enabling follow-up mode. Follow-up mode will allow you to ask a follow-on question without needing to save a wait command. For example, computer, how old is Beyonce?
Beyonce is 40 years old.
Where was she born?
Beyonce was born in Houston, Texas in 1981.
As you can see, I asked a follow-on question and didn't need to save a wake word or the name as the Echo knew what I was asking. To turn on follow-up mode, just say, computer, turn on follow-up mode.
Follow-up mode is now on.
Some of my devices are used for smart home control, and I don't really want the Echo to speak back to me when I give it a command. I use a feature called brief mode, so the Echo just works and acknowledges my commands with a quick sound. For example, computer, turn the bathroom light on. If brief mode was off, the response would have been,
Okay.
To turn on brief mode, just say, computer, turn on brief mode.
Okay. Instead of me talking, sometimes you'll hear only this.
Another really useful feature is multi-room music. This allows you to set up groups so that you can listen to music throughout your home. To set up multi-room music, just open the app and go to Devices. Press the plus symbol on the top right hand corner of the screen, select Combine Speakers and choose Multi-Room Music. Select the devices you want in the group, so I'll choose my round Echo and my dot, and press Next. You then want to choose a name for the group, so I'll call this one Chill Out. Press Save. It's now done. If you want to listen to music in the group, you would now just say, computer, play music by Ed Sheeran in the Chill Out group.
This is Ed Sheeran from Daniel's Spotify.
While we're talking about music, you can also connect your Echo to your favourite music service, including Spotify, Amazon Music and Apple Music. So you can listen to music through your Echo by asking. To connect your favourite services, go to the app, press More, go to Settings, select Music and Podcasts, and from here you can choose to link a service with your Echo device. It really is as simple as that. You can also use the Echoes to play sound through your Fire TV. Just follow the same instructions as before and choose Home Cinema. From here you can select your Fire TV, select the speakers you want to connect it to, so I'll choose my Echo. Give it a name, so I'll call this one Home Cinema. Choose where it is, so mine's in the living room. And you're done. With sound through your Fire TV will not come out of your Echo. This is a great option if you don't have separate speakers or soundbar for your TV. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out the video where I show you how to set up the Echo with the Fire TV in more detail. If you have an Audible account, you can also listen to your audiobooks by asking, computer, read my audiobook.
Getting a selection from Daniel's Audible library, resuming Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, Book 1.
Quite right.
As a bonus tip, I also like to ask the Echo to automatically stop reading after half an hour once I've fallen to sleep. To do this, just say, computer, read my audiobook for half an hour.
Getting a selection from Daniel's Audible library, resuming Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone.
This also works really well with music and podcasts. Whisper mode is really useful if you've got little ones in the house and you need the Echo to be more quiet. When it is turned on, the Echo will whisper back to you when you whisper to it. Computer, what's the time?
The time is 7:14 p.m.
Computer, what's the time?
The time is 7:14 p.m.
As you can see, it whispered when I whispered, and it didn't whisper when I didn't. To turn whisper mode on, just ask, computer, turn on whisper mode.
Okay, whispered responses is now on.
One of my most used features has to be timers, alarms and reminders. Reminders are great in the kitchen when you're cooking. For example, computer, remind me to take the potatoes out of the oven in 10 minutes.
Okay, I'll remind you in 10 minutes.
Remind me to turn the potatoes in 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll remind you in 5 minutes.
As you can see, you can set more than one timer and reminder, which is really useful. While you're in the kitchen, I also find the shopping list feature to be really useful. This allows you to ask the Echo to add items to your shopping list. For example, computer, add milk to my shopping list.
I've put milk on your shopping list.
The list can be found in the app. Taking this one step further, you can even use the Echo to order items from Amazon. For example, computer, buy A4 paper.
Amazon's choice is HP printer paper. Office A4 paper, 80 GSM, 500 sheets. It's £6.13, including VAT, with delivery by the 2nd of December. I added it to your Amazon basket where you can review product and seller details before checkout. To purchase now, say buy it now.
Buy it now. Thankfully, the Echo does ask for a passcode before placing an order, so orders can't be placed by mistake. If I have missed any of your favourite uses, let me know in the comments below and I'll include them in future videos. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.